You just aren't used to hangovers anymore.
As you age, you work more, sleep longer, and act responsibly most of the time. You don't force your body to process alcohol as often as you once did. You also don't require your brain to handle hangovers with the same frequency. In other words, your brain gets rusty on hangover protocol. At this point, additional practice won't do the trick. Some experts posit 29 is peak hangover age. It's all downhill from there.
Alcohol disrupts your sleep cycle.
One of the requirements of adulting is getting up in the morning and being somewhat functional. As in, you're likely expected to make a meal, go to a job, and do all sorts of grown-up things. These tasks generally require a decent night of sleep, and alcohol gets in the way of that. Even if you didn't stay up late, you will still feel the impacts because alcohol disrupts your sleep cycle. Per Elite Daily, the idea that alcohol makes sleep better is pretty misguided.
Junk food makes the liver's job even harder.
You might look back on alcohol-fueled, late-night Taco Bell runs with fondness. However, the junk food sessions that come with the vestiges of youth and a night of heavy drinking contribute to a very grown-up hangover. Fatty foods put additional demands on your already struggling liver, which disrupts it from its primary job of the moment, processing alcohol.
Supplements and alcohol don't mix.
Alcohol puts a significant damper on your efforts to be healthy. The older you get, the more likely you are to take medications or supplements to help you deal with various ailments. The sober version of you might feel fantastic, but supplements will probably make your hangover worse. Prescription medications and health supplements alter the way your body breaks down alcohol. Moreover, they make already rough hangover conditions worse.
Your brain has matured, but not the way you want it to.
If you can muster the energy between swigs of Gatorade, place some of the hangover blame on your prefrontal cortex. In your early 20s, your brain excels at doling out rewards. Where it falters is in chastising you for irresponsible decisions. However, in your mid-20s, the stress system in your brain reaches maturity and begins doing just that. Dancing and drinking till dawn with friends instead of adhering to a responsible bedtime undoubtedly falls under the realm of irresponsible if you have any adult responsibility to deal with the next day.
Extra pounds means blood alcohol concentrations go up as water ratios go down.
The potential for bad hangovers as you age is yet another reason to hit the gym. According to BuzzFeed, blood alcohol concentration (BAC) and body fat percentage go hand in hand. If you acquire some extra padding with age, blood alcohol concentrations will increase when you drink as body water ratios decrease. Even if you have a higher alcohol tolerance, higher BAC means you are more likely to feel it the morning after.
Your water game is weak.
Perhaps your sober water game has gotten stronger with age. You drink from one of those massive water jugs with the straw guaranteeing you the recommended amount of H20 daily. Kudos on the effort, but as you age, your body doesn't retain water as well as it once did. So, your tipsy water game has to be just as strong. According to The Telegraph, if you drink a glass of water or juice between each alcoholic drink pacing,
your liver can't hang anymore.
Part of the reason your unappealing pallor and pounding headache take longer to dissipate after over-imbibing is that your liver can't hang anymore. According to NBC News, when you drink, your liver produces enzymes to break alcohol down into a toxin called acetaldehyde. From there, acetaldehyde becomes acetate. However, livers of the more seasoned variety take longer to process acetaldehyde into acetate at the rate of about a drink an hour. The unprocessed acetaldehyde heads to your bloodstream and lingers, contributing to the dreaded hangover.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.